Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you the tips and tricks to make money on Coinbase app. So let's start. First, open the Coinbase app. This is the home screen of your app. Here you'll see the coins which are performing well in the market right now. And Bitcoin is by default on your watch list. Now tap on prices at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see the performance of many cryptocurrencies. And if you scroll down, you'll see more of them. Now tap on the cryptocurrency you want to trade on. But before doing so, you have to have the basic knowledge of trading cryptocurrencies. Here you will see the graph of Ethereum's price. You can see the graph of many time frame. And if you scroll down, you'll see information about Ethereum. And to trade, tap on transfer. Now let's go back and let's look into another cryptocurrency. Let's select XRP. This is one of the most promising cryptocurrencies of this era. Just like before, you will see the graph of many time frames. And if you scroll down, you'll see information about XRP coin. And if you want to trade, then tap on transfer. Trading cryptocurrency is not an easy task, so you have to have a clear idea of what you are doing. So if you want to trade on cryptocurrency, then you have to learn the basics of trading cryptocurrencies. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.